Thanks to a home security camera, a couple in Alaska knows exactly who was playing ding-dong ditch on their doorbell in the middle of the night. Check out the culprit. The couple says they were confused yesterday when their doorbell rang at about 1:30 in the morning. They looked outside to see no one there, so they checked their security system, and they were surprised to see it was the rear end of a moose.
So we came over to this hub, and when we pulled up the video, we had this nice moose behind waiting for us right here. And he decided to back right up into it and that's how we got our doorbell. Right when we saw the moose back into the camera, we all just started laughing.
Well, the couple said it's nice to have some comic relief after that 7.0 magnitude earthquake that struck near Anchorage last week. But a moose. I figured it was going to be a bear when we said it earlier.
I thought it was going to be a bear too. I didn't expect to see a moose's butt.
Moose on the loose. Well,